Oh, hi guys, this is FXGOAT speaking. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically guys, this is now 2023. Welcome back to my YouTube, whereby now I'll be now showing you guys everything that regards trading, lifestyle, everything. The minister is back. Now, what we're gonna be doing today is that we're gonna be analyzing the market as usual guys, and I'm gonna be now in a way that I'm gonna analyze for you certain pairs, and one of the easiest pairs that I can analyze for you is gold, and one of the pairs we can actually look at, and that is a critical one, which is the DXY. So from my side guys, I'll be actually giving you the most beautiful content ever. As you can see today at the back of me right now, we're in KZN guys, and so the minister will be analyzing for you the market, and we're just gonna be killing and killing and killing. So from my side guys, do make sure that you click the notification bell and wait for more updates with regards to the forex market and my YouTube channel. From my side guys, FXGOAT speaking. I'm signing out. Do catch me when I'm analyzing. Danko! Hi guys, this is FXGOAT speaking. Welcome back to the flip side. As you can see guys, we are back again with yet another banger guys. So right now, what I need us to do is actually, before we can continue, please do make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and please take this video to actually 5,000 views. So before we can continue guys, I'd like to actually state that apologies guys for actually staying for this long. This is due to being us moving to Durban, and everything has been in a beautiful way, and we had to actually experience different challenges and different our daily routines and actually kill the market as usual. So as I have promised you guys, I would like to actually show you that the DXY is committing itself towards valuable areas. So at this particular moment, you would see that right now we can simply see that gold is also situated in a beautiful positions and levels, whereby soon and very soon we're gonna see beautiful momentum towards to the upside. So without any waste of time guys, let us jump into the market and let us actually check what the market is holding for us. So at this particular moment, the DXY looks quite beautiful, and as you can see right now, we also had a commitment of the double bottom when price was actually now getting exhausted to actually sell even more. So from this particular moment, you'd see that we have this double bottom as one of the areas whereby the market was now getting exhausted to actually sell even harder, whereby price was now trickling towards to the downside. So this is one of the things that made the DXY to actually buy, because at this particular moment you'd see that this was our commitment towards our low. Now the moment we saw that price got an impulse to the upside, we see that there is a level whereby we can actually check into and give ourselves attention towards it, because the market it's looking quite crazy when we look at this beautiful level, because this level is one of the levels whereby you'd see that market it's now looking to have a potential reversal structure for continuations of sales. So as you can see, that's where now the position of everything will be now making sense towards our favor. So as you can see right now guys, we would see that we have commitment towards this level whereby the market has given us a shoulder, and potentially so we can see that we also have this as an overall head, and price right now it's now anticipated to actually give us a beautiful drop. But before we can actually see that the drop has to be occurring, let us look at how actually on smaller time frames the market is looking like. So from the 4-hour time frame, you could see that price now committing itself towards our resistance, and when it commits itself towards our resistance, you'd see that we have some sort of like a reversal structure, because the market broke out with a reversal pattern. So with a reversal pattern breakout, it's actually looking to say that the market is getting exhausted to actually push further up. However, buyers are trying to actually hold the price. However, now they're getting exhausted because the level is quite very strong. So as you can see right now, we had a beautiful breakout whereby the market was now getting impulsive towards to the upside, however price started giving us a reversal pennant. So this is one of the patterns that actually play a very big role in the market when you are looking to analyze. So at this particular moment, you'd see that we also have a beautiful structure of our reversal pattern, which is the double top. And 1-hour chart is actually looking to have a great message toward us, because now, as you can simply see, we have some sort of like a language that the market is speaking to us with. You would see that right now, what do we have? We have some sort of like a reversal pattern structure along the double top that we have. We also have this beautiful head and shoulders pattern that is currently forming. So right now we can actually expect a breakout and retest and some beautiful correction for further pushes to the downside. So in this case, when the market now looks beautiful, committing itself to actually give us those beautiful sells, we would see that now the DXY is situated in a very good position, because the market right now looks good for beautiful sells. So the overall picture of this beautiful DXY, we now have the direction whereby we're going to be looking for further sells towards to the downside, and this will be coinciding with the left shoulder. Just to actually click in the bar pattern, we can simply see that the market on the left hand side, it's quite looking the same, when I'm just going to be putting this right here and actually anticipate what I'm looking to be seeing right now. Right, so I would actually anticipate the very same movement of the price towards to the low, where the market now will give us some sort of like a selling structure towards our support. So the market looks quite great when the market sees that the DXY is committing itself towards our beautiful low. So at this particular moment, we can simply see that the market is quite great to actually give us beautiful selling opportunities on the DXY. So right now, moving right along, what do we have? We have gold positioned to be great into our beautiful trading. So as you can see, the gold is situated to a level whereby we have the high and we have the low, and this beautiful high and this beautiful low is where the market is currently trading at. So the beautiful gold is actually situated that right now you'd see that we have a committing low that is actually the market is currently at. So at this particular moment, guys, you'd see that this is one of the strongest levels you could ever reach on gold. So at this particular moment, price will never release the buyers just like that. They will just still hold the sells for now, because they want to trap as many sellers as they can. So these people, they actually give us a long rope to hang ourselves. Yourself will be thinking that gold will be now giving a strong sell towards the low. However, this is one of the critical points whereby the market has already broke out of the market structure, and the anticipated move is to actually reach 2000 level, where the current price was actually trading at. So at this moment, you could see that from this particular moment, we are anticipating to actually have some sort of like a bullish structure towards our high. So you'd see that the market right now, we are anticipating a very strong bullish trend towards this beautiful high right there, which is actually $20,061. So at this moment, gold, we are anticipating on a higher structure to actually buy further up and to actually give us those beautiful momentum towards to the upside. So you can simply see that from the 4-hour chart, we have the anticipated reversal structure for gold. However, it's actually giving us some sort of like a beautiful reversal structure, but the market is getting people caught into the wrong side of it by giving them a long rope to hang ourselves. So as you can see right now, gold is looking beautiful for selling opportunities, but the selling opportunities are very short, guys. They are very short. As you can see now, we are actually being trapped as much as they can. So we cannot ever fall for this trap, and this beautiful gold will now be buying very hard. As I'm looking to have them buy New York session, the market will now look to actually give us those beautiful strong buys. So we highly believe that right now gold is trapping more sellers on themselves. So at this particular moment, you could see that we had a beautiful strong breakout. However, we started trickling towards our low, which means that price right now it's getting prepared to actually give us those swing buys. So the market looks quite great for beautiful buys for gold, but it's long-term purposes. So at this moment, you should wait for actually price to confirm and give you this beautiful strong long stroke buy candle, and before that you could actually get into a beautiful retest where the market will now give you some sort of like a retest right here, and price will now, after breaking out here and giving you this beautiful retest, that's where you can enter your beautiful buying opportunities for gold. So gold looks quite great for long-term buys. So moving right along, guys, let's take a look at Eurjpy. The daily time frame for the Eurjpy trade looks quite great because as you can see right now, we have already reached our 90% rule for Eurjpy. So at this particular moment, you can simply see that the market looks great for selling opportunities. As we have already reached the 90% rule for this beautiful pair, you'd see that the market right now looks quite great for selling opportunities, as we have this beautiful bullish trend that you can see right now, and the market has already given us this quite beautiful breakout, as you can see. So as you can see now, the price is actually looking quite beautiful because price right now has already given us a commitment towards this low. So as you can see right now, we have an impulse move to the downside, and price right now has already given us a retest, which is the continuation flag. So now the next movement will be now the impulse move to the downside. So we can consider actually selling the Eurjpy towards to the downside. However, our target price at this particular moment will be 86871. So at this moment we can have our stop loss actually being at least 15 points away from our, at this moment we can have our stop loss being 18 to actually 15 points towards our entry point. So at this moment, Eurjpy looks beautiful for selling opportunities to actually complete this beautiful head and shoulders pattern towards our low. So from this moment, we can actually move to Eurjpy. So the Eurjpy on a beautiful scale on the daily time frame, you could see that the market is committing itself to actually give us this beautiful long stroke sales because the market looks quite great for a head and shoulders pattern to be completed. As you can see right now, we have this beautiful momentum towards our neckline, right shoulder, and the market looks quite great because our head and shoulders to be completed, we must have this beautiful right shoulder being completed, right? So already we have the head and shoulders pattern on the daily structure, and the 4-hourly chart looks quite great because the market at this particular moment, we have to actually expect the commitment for beautiful selling opportunities. So upon this beautiful channel, you could see that we can break it down and see that the market committed itself to give us this beautiful continuation flag. So now this continuation flag is being broken down whereby price right now, we need to actually see this, what is really happening there. So at this moment, you could see that we broke out correctively. That is very important towards our analysis, and this is one of the reversal patterns that the market has already given us, right? So when we see this type of movements, you can simply see that price looks quite great when you actually analyze from a bigger scale to a smaller scale. Already we have encountered these beautiful selling opportunities and a very strong breakout and retest, and at this very moment, guys, you would see that the neckline of this overall trend, we can see that right now we broke with an impulse and we are below this trend right here. So the moment we can see that this is the overall picture for more selling opportunities, that's the moment we can simply milk this Eurojpy towards our low. So this is one of the greatest entry points that you can get, and right now you would see that for us to cover this momentum right here, we are already below it. If you can actually pull this to the left hand side, you'd see that the level that we are currently in, it's very crucial to coming to our analysis. So our analysis quite looks great because the market right now, it's committing itself to give us those sales. So as you can see, guys, we have already broke out our beautiful analysis for today. So the Eurojpy looks good for selling opportunities, Eurgbp looks good for selling opportunities, and also beautiful gold buys that are actually coming, and also the DXY commitment towards the beautiful head and shoulders pattern. So from my side, guys, the Minister of Small Account, do catch me on yet another video, as I'll be dropping gems as the year progresses. So from my side, guys, the Minister signing out.